Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create a new page in Photopea software. So get started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see, then we show the interface. Then we select from new project option. Now click. Then we show the again new interface. Now we show the new project, the name. Now project name from template design. Now you can see, then we did in the size 9 inches, and pixel then inches. Now choose from pixel and DPI 720 and background color, then choose color, then we show white, black, transparent and custom, and width 8, 16 and 32. Now click from create and choose the template. Now click for create option. That it's. Now you can see, create a new page in Photopea software is very easily. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for